Hello traders. Today is the 3rd of December 2010 and happy weekend to you all. London is closed, New York is closed, and today has been a very interesting day. And London opened exactly here on this small red candle here where I'm moving my cursor at 8 a.m. London time, at 3 a.m. Eastern time, right there. And as we are now bullish towards the euro, very, very bullish towards the euro. We bought the euro after this red candle here, and the market start going up. Okay, and we decided to do a quick video for our members, the TSTW24 traders, and we were telling them that we are expecting the euro to continue the movement to the upside up to the region of 13275 up to 13280. Okay, where I draw this green horizontal line, this is the 13280 region here. But the resistance we were expecting is between 13275 and 13280. And as the price was rising, the price reached this level of 13270, okay, which is 5 pip towards the 13275. The market starts showing some weaknesses, and we sold the euro USD, and the price start going down. As you can see, these two red candles here. But exactly at 8:30 Eastern time, we were expecting the major news to come. Okay, so we were closing this trade. Okay, we knew that the movement to the downside cannot continue anymore because of the major news that is about to come out. Okay, and normally we were expecting the euro to pull back up to the 13220 region, okay, on top of this resistance level somewhere here, to pull back up to 13220 region or 13230 region before zooming big time up, okay, as it did here. But something has happened just before the news was coming. I don't usually trade the new, but today we traded this new carefully here. We traded. It was quite successful because we are expecting the euro to pull back and to give us a big move to the upside. And that was confirmed to us on not on directly on the euro USD, but looking at the USD yen currency pair. Okay, I will show you something that has happened. In this region here, where I'm moving my code, this is the USD yen, by the way. In this region here, our master key day trading system, is giving us a clear-cut selling signal. Okay, right here where I'm moving my cursor here, our master key day trading system, and also the TSTW24. Not the master key on this case. For the USD yen, we will see when we look at the USD yen, we saw a triple red signal. This is on the second important time frame of the TSTW24 trading system. So we have three major time frame that we use for day trading. The second time frame, okay, we have the lower time frame, then the medium time frame, and then the third one, which we call the most important time frame. We can use the TSTW24 or any time frame, but we have a three time frame that we like to trade on very often. And the middle time frame, we receive a clear cut, a triple red signal. That was amazing. Just before the news is about to come, we receive a clear cut, a triple red signal. Now, I never come across that very often when there is a news to receive a clear cut signal from the TSTW24. This is amazing because we don't trade the news, but this was so clear. We noticed on the USD yen that this is a clear cut triple red signal, and we took it. Now, by taking that signal, which means the USD yen should go down, it confirmed to us straight away that the euro, what we were expecting the euro to do, the euro should continue the movement to the outside, and quickly we bought also the euro again because we were expecting to buy the euro anyway, but we want to buy in the region of 13220. So the price was in this region of 13245, so we bought it just the news was about to come, and it was amazing. It just went fast big time, as we were telling you in the previous video that we posted this morning, that we expect the euro to pull a little bit up into the region of 13275 and to give us a healthy pullback and then to move up big time, okay. So if you haven't watched that video, we titled that video that we posted today, the market indicator divergence, and this is what we predicted, exactly what has happened, okay. But normally we were a bit hesitant to take the trade because of the news, but because of what we have seen on the USD yen, a clear cut triple red signal in the second preferred time frame of the Tips.avi, and it was just clear for her to sell the USD yen, and by doing that we move on to the Euro USD also to buy it before it reach our target of entry point, and the price just run fast. Okay, what I want to say to you in this video is that the pullback is still due right now, because we are expecting the pullback. It didn't happen as much as we expect, so right now that pullback is very important for the health of this movement to the upside, because as you can see, after this long candle here, we came out here. As you can see, this yellow line where I draw it here, that was our target. You see this line I put here, the vertical line, that was our target there. Boom, it touched it out. Okay, we didn't play the rest of this blah 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 blah. These are the late comer, desperate greedy traders. These are the people. Yeah, these are the people who usually mess up the market. They come into late, they do some lot of crazy thing, because for a uptrend to be healthy, it must have a pullback. Very important. The uptrend should breathe in and breathe out. Very important for the market. So we are expecting that pullback. My view. Okay, remember, my view is not a science. We are expecting, even though we are still very bullish towards the Euro USD, the market is now closed today on Friday. We are still expecting the Euro USD to give us that pullback. It's so important for us to see that pullback. Okay, so while we are expecting the Euro to do, still to pull back nicely up to the region of 132.50. Okay, somewhere here 132.50. I don't know exactly where we are in the region, to pull back now at 132.50 before continuing the movement again to the upside. Very important. That movement to the downside will bring in more buyers. Very important for it, for the uptrend. So when the uptrend is moving up, you want the price to pull back to allow more buyers to come into the trend, in order to maintain that intensity of the bullish momentum. That's so important. That's why we were looking for this morning, for the price to come near the region of 132.75 and to pull back nicely near the 132.20 before gushing it up. But because of the new, it couldn't retrace back to the 132.20 region as we were expecting in this region here. But right there, the news came, and that's what's happened. Boom, up. Okay, and after the news, normally the price should pull back, but because everybody is now so bullish towards the euro, everybody want to take part of this trend. Some people think that they are missing something. They are so desperate, because in the uptrend you want to enter during the pullback. You don't want to chase the trend. You don't want to chase the trend. You wait patiently for your pullback. If there is no pullback, stay out. Okay, so we are still all this movement to the upside here is not healthy for us. We do not condone that kind of activity in the market, so to speak. So all this blah 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 blah, these are the late comers. Okay, late comers trying to mess up this nice movement to the upside. Is the best thing for the euro to do on Sunday, to gap down. Okay, so don't be surprised if the euro gap down big time on Sunday night into the region of 132.50. Okay, it's a little bit further down than what I draw on this chart here. What I will do, I will remove those lines so I can redraw them perfectly for you. Okay, so what we are expecting the euro to do is to gap down. Okay, to gap down up to the region of 132.50, which is somewhere near this red line here, 132.50. Remember that level, which is exactly where we were expecting it to before to retrace from. Okay, so now it must retrace back to where this movement, to retrace all this movement, retrace it up to 132.50 possibly. That will be so healthy for the market, and before gushing it, starting again the movement to the upside. So don't be surprised if Sunday night the euro gap down. But because of the market sentiment over the euro, this is quite bullish, which means a lot of people are so desperate now to join this uptrend, because they know that there is an uptrend going on. As we were telling them last Friday, everybody was selling like a mad trader, so to speak. Okay, but nobody's mad though. But we will watch carefully on Sunday night whether they will have a gap down. That will be so healthy. If it gap down up to the 13250 level, we'll buy straight away. We'll buy straight away without any question whether London open or not. If he gap down to the 13250 on Sunday night, we'll buy straight away. Okay, no question about that. And with a tiny stop loss, and we'll expect it to continue the movement to the upside. But if it gap up again, then that won't be very interesting because. We need that pullback in this uptrend, so important for us. So watch out for the euro. It may gap down first, but it's nothing to worry about. And then we'll watch carefully with the TSTW24 trading system. We'll cream this market consistently. Another thing I want to say as I'm doing this video for you now, just to check my time with you, is that when the news is about to come, something interesting also happened. Is that for the euro USD, as I was talking to you earlier, I was talking about the master key day trading system. Exactly just before the news is released, the master key day trading system is showing us clearly a clear-cut buying signal. And this is so amazing today. The news is coming. The TSTW24 trading system gives us a clear-cut triple right signal, a bearish signal on the USD yen. The master key day trading system has given us a buy signal on the Euro USD, and it's just so amazing. And the whole thing just went boom very fast, as you can see. Before I close this video, I will show you also the analysis about the video of the analysis of of the volume indicator, as you can see on this chart here. Why we say that this is due to come down, as you can see, it's all bullish volume here. As you can see, it went up. Here we analyze quickly this volume here. Okay, as you can see, increase in volume, as you can see. That's excellent. Okay, and then we have what do we have? Increase in volume, like I showed you last Friday, and then resistance is broken, and you see the bullish momentum. That's a valid one, a valid breakout here this morning. Valid breakout, increase in volume, break of resistance level, increase in momentum. Okay, that's why we say increase in volume, resistance line is broken, increase in bullish momentum. Exactly what we have now. But if you watch carefully this zone here, okay, as I'm speaking to you now, if you watch carefully these candle here, which I want to put in the spotlight on these four candles here, you will see that when those candles were tried to form here, those four candles here, you will notice clearly on the volume that the volume was going down. You see, this volume is going down when we are having this kind of movement to the outside. This is not sustainable. That's what I'm saying to you. It's very important for this uptrend to give us a nice pullback. Okay, very, 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 very important. Okay, I'm so desperate for that movement to pull back nicely for us in the region of 13250 before we have the movement again to the upside. Okay, we know that our ultimate target for the Euro USD is a very ambitious target of 14,000. Okay, that remains to be seen if there is no more market manipulation or all the blah 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 in the market. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you put into practice in order to cream this market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders.